What's up, you guys? It's Seawolf. I want to talk about this Leatherman Surge. It's just kind of like first impressions. This thing's been out forever. I'm not the first to make this video or anything, but I just want to talk about it. I picked this over the Signal for a couple reasons. It's a lot more substantial. It's a big multi-tool. I got this Molly compatible sheath with it. Just want to show it to you guys. This is definitely not a review, just kind of a first impressions. It just feels a lot more robust than the Signal Leatherman I have. You get a fully serrated blade on it. It also comes with some incredibly stout scissors. I mean, these things are thick. Like, if I had to guess, they're probably a 1/16 of an inch thick. Super sharp knife. I really like the blade profile of it. I think it's 420 steel. Then it also comes with a saw. The only weird thing is, for some reason, if you open up the saw from down here, it's like you want to change the blade out sometimes. Like it pops out. You can change this blade on this particular model with a file or another saw if you dull this one out. But this thing is stout. Like, I don't know how to describe how super strong this is. It just feels like a really good tool. The reason I ordered this is one of my friends is wanting a survival pouch made, so I knew that for the situations I feel like this person would need the pouch is they're going to want a real tool on them, not something that they're going to carry every single day, but when they need it, they want something substantial. So that's why I opted for this one. It's just extremely robust. It's got the bit swap system, which I ordered bits for, tons of those. You got your can opener, ruler. It's got the replaceable, I believe they're tungsten or some sort of carbide blades for, like, if you need to cut cable or something right here. Then on this side, you've got an awl and 2 flathead screwdrivers. The only thing is it came shipped in with tons of grease on it. I've been trying to get it kind of cleaned off for them. But anyway, you guys, this was just the first impressions. I think it's a great multi-tool. I know this wasn't a super detailed video, but I just want to show you guys this new Leatherman that I'm going to pop in this survival kit. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe, and somebody mail me some wipes. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.